Yandex Index Checker, creating a new task. Step 1. Log in to your SpeedyIndex cabinet. Step 2. Open the task creation area. Step 3. Open Check Indexing of Links and choose the search engine, Yandex. Step 4. Enter a clear task name. Step 5. Add links for processing. Step 6. Check URL formatting, avoid spaces at the end of lines, use the correct protocol. Step 7. Review limits balance before creating the task. Step 8. Click Create. Step 9. Open and interpret results. Step 10. Export results. Thank you for watching this video. For more step-by-step guides and tips, visit our YouTube channel where we regularly publish new tutorials about SpeedyIndex. Follow us on social media to stay updated about new features, best practices, and upcoming improvements to the service.